I recently mounted a see-through bird feeder just outside my kitchen window, right opposite where I sit to have my breakfast, and it's given me great pleasure to watch these birds cavort. But after a few days, an unwelcomed guest made his appearance. I'm not happy about it, but I have to admire his athleticism and his determination. I reviewed what others had done to attempt to squirrel-proof bird feeders and came up with my own design. Here's how my squirrel guard looks from inside the house. It's a sloping piece of aluminum sheet metal glued to a piece of PVC glued to the lower crossbar of the upper sash of the window. Here you can see the details of how the sheet metal relates to the PVC pipe. The PVC pipe is basically a spacer pushing the sheet metal out from the glass. From the outside, you can see the high degree of slope of the aluminum sheet, which should not provide any purchase for a squirrel to grab on. And here's how it looks from outside. It's taken 4 days for our squirrel to give it another try. He successfully gets up to the top slope, but is unable to hang on and leap up to the feeder. So I'm calling it a success.